Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be seeing how to find an address of an array. Array is in a finite order collection of homogeneous elements, so where the elements are arranged in a contiguous block of memory. So suppose this is an array AI, suppose. So it will look something like this. So a contiguous block of memory is associated for some size of array. So this is the size. So we need to find out, suppose data are arranged something like this. So we need to find that what will the position or address of an array in the memory location. So to do that, so there is a formula that says, so address AI of an array is given by b plus I minus lb times w. Now we'll just define all the terms where b is the base address, lb is the lower bound, here w is the word size. So and I is the position, which position you are finding. I is the position, current position, the position which you are looking for. So there is one more formula called size of an array. Size of an array. So the formula is that ub minus lb plus 1, where ub is the upper bound of an array. So here 0 is the lower bound and n, or the last value is the upper bound. So I will explain this with the help of an example. So this is the question. So an array is declared minus 15 to 64, is stored in computer memory whose starting address is 459, word size is 2 bytes. So you need to find this for how many number of elements are there, that is the size, the total memory space occupied by the array, find the memory location of A10, which element is located in memory at 589. So we will do the first. So for how many elements are there, that is the size. So the formula of size was ub minus lb plus 1. So here ub is 64 and minus of minus 15 and plus 1. So 64 plus 15 plus 1, that gives us 80. So this is the size of an array. Next we have the total memory space. So for total memory space, the formula is, I forgot to mention, size into the word size. So 80 into 2, that is equals to 160 bytes. Now C, we need to find memory location of A10. So we'll just plot in the formula A10 equals to, so b plus I minus lb. So this will be, base address is 459 plus 10, I minus means minus of minus is plus, and this will multiply by 2. So solving this, we get, this will be 25 times 50 and this will be 509. So next we have which element is located in memory space at 589 address. So the same formula we need to, I'll just copy the formula. So this is the formula. So AI, that is equals to b plus I minus lb times w. So this value is given 589, b is 459, and this will be I plus 15 because minus of minus is plus, and this is times 2. So this is 130, this goes there. This will be I plus 15 times 2, this goes here, so it will become 65, I plus 15, and I will be 50. So at index 50 the location is 589. So this was all about finding the address of an array and everything related to that. So thanks for watching it.